Alrighty, what's going on, boys? Welcome back to another Croeboys video. We got Stu, Cole, and me, Liam again. We're heading up north. We're gonna be fishing just above, we're in the Grand Rapids area, basically is where we're at. We're gonna be doing some largemouth fishing, and we're going to some really good small lakes, and it's gonna be fun, so let's kill them.
Liam, say hi.
Okay.
There we go. I got one too, baby. Oh yeah, LMB.
Double up, let's go, boy.
Double up. That's doing that. I got smallmouth.
How cute you are, man. Huge doubles. First couple of days, 40 seconds long. Cheers. Big up. Good start. Whip it back in there. Whip it back in there.
Timmy.
Every spring, dude, I hook up with a new pipe.
There we go. That one feels good. Nah, I don't think it's that good. It's a bass. Yeah. Not big at all. Not bad. What?
Is that good?
Nah, I'll lip him. He's a lipper. I need to put more line out. Oh. Let's go. Not a bad one. Kind of fat. Got a leech on him. Nasty. We'll take it.
Nappy hour. You shouldn't even do anything.
Like a fish, you think? Swimming out deep? Yeah.
You got one? I'll pull my pants. Nice one or no?
I don't know.
Not bad.
I was like, man, my line's moving.
I got one.
Good one?
It's a little better.
Right here. Oh,
Doubles. Well, we're still on the little males, but cheers. Doubles. More fish are coming. More fish are coming. See ya.
Oh, I got hammered. There's one. That's a decent one. You want to get the net? Let's go, boys. Having a little bit of an interesting conversation. It's not big, it's not small. Biggest one of the day.
That's a 3-pounder.
Let's go! Trying to flick me up.
Put you up for the ground.
Yeah.
You should put that guy on the scale.
Yeah, well, we haven't weighed a fish yet.
This is the first wave.
So you want to back up?
Oh, my pants ripped again.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to weigh this bass. This is the biggest one of the day.
Oh my, that's almost a 4.
3 pounds, 12 ounces. I'll take that. It's a nice bass. Not the greatest day of fishing so far, but we're catching numbers, and I'll take that fish all day. So let's get him back in the water. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, nice and slow. Big Mama kicked right off. Yeah. I'm 3 for 3 right now on cast.
These bass love these trees. They going? Oh, it's nice.
Yeah, you want
to? Yeah, that's good.
Not bad. 3 for 3, baby. Trees hold 1 or 2 fish in them. That's a good one. scoop them over right now.
You go, mate. Been on a three?
Yeah, probably.
Oh yeah, baby. Let's go.
This guy's beat up too.
Oh yeah, that's another good one.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, another nice fish. It's another like 3-pounder, I'd say, but I'm just gonna do this out of pure curiosity.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Ow! Oh, that f***ed my teeth out.
Your teeth?
3 pounds, 7 ounces.
3.5, man.
Light work. Oh, that hurt. All right, let's go. Let's let him go, baby. It's a nice one.
All right, so Owen's gotta go take a dookie. We're looking for a sponsor.
Dude wipes, you rule, please.
And power bait.
And power bait. Oh, power bait would be better, but
That's probably more ideal.
we want to wrap on the boat.
Okay, so the bass had the entire worm in his mouth, and I set the hook, and it just came out.
The whole spider.
Oh my god.
Oh my. How's it going, guys? We're just finishing up the morning here. Caught a few good ones, a couple 4s. Nothing crazy, but gonna switch lakes here about 20 minutes here, and hopefully we get on some smallmouth, and we'll see you then. But there's like 20 something mile an hour gusts. It's gonna suck. What's up, boys?
You hooked up. Down?
Yeah.
What you got?
I don't know.
Really?
It's probably pike. It is a bass. It's a largie.
Alright, everyone get away from this fish.
First fish in the new lake, and it's a largie, even though we're going for small fish. See ya.
Alright guys, my first smallmouth of the day. I tied on a crankbait, literally took my first cast, took maybe 5 twitches with it, and he was on it. This guy fought so hard. And I'm guessing we're getting to a rocky bay here, so I'm guessing we're gonna have a lot more of these guys, so let's get her back. See you, girl.
Huh? What do you guys call this? Vertical fishing? Vertical jigging?
Vertical jigging. You almost took the rod out of my hand.
I'll net him.
I'll pull some drag.
One-handed.
Dude, that thing almost grabbed the rod out of my hand. And he's not even big, he's just fat. Alright guys, my second small of the day, not big, but look at that gut. I'm just gonna weigh it because it's got the body of a 1-pounder. That does not look like a 2-pounder though. This is a 2-pounder. Look at that gut up on them. Oh my god. Oh, yeah.
Little squirt. Hey. Right off the tree, baby.
On the tree?
Yeah, just vertically jig this kid up too. That's fun.
What are we looking at?
Little. He's not big.
Not the small.
Yeah, just smallie. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Little smallie, right on the tree down there. You can't see it, but ooh, let's go. Oh, fish.
Not a bad one.
No, I'll just grab him. You don't have to net him. Yeah, that guy bit me both sides. You going, Ernesto? Not bad. Let's go to like a 17-incher. I'll take it. Bye-bye, buddy. Yeah, we'll stop
That's
there.
what, the light on stop, will you stop?
I thought we were going to be done back in that bay, but this is some
I mean, we started catching.
There you go, hey, bud.
Hey, tight my try.
Stewie's. Get a clip of Stewie's snore.
Yeah, maybe since I got light spinning tackle. It's not big.
Dude, that's massive. Oh my god.
Nah. Those smallmouth, caught them on a, I'll show you guys what I was using to catch him. I'll just let him go quick. Oh. Right now I'm just using a little shaky head with a chigger craw. Oh, gotta fix this with the chigger craw. And it's giving them just an easier presentation for them to eat opposed to the bass jig. Bass jig could be a little big. They seem a little finicky, but not really.